hello there, family friends, and you from across the world. Joe is off the road in the campground. I'll see you in the future. First, let me say congratulations to all the ones who passed and obtained their CDL license and are already with the mentors, driving trucks and getting ready to go on the road. But first, let me say I did got off the road, just having a great time out here. And let me show you the pop-up. Pop-up. Pop-pop, pop-pop. Let me show you. This is a private campground. And show you how I did the air conditioning. Have the air conditioner. And let me show you what it looks like inside. Yeah, this is the 1996 Coachman. Decent, nice getaway. Get out of town. I did that invention myself. Put up the board for the stove, and also got the rice cooker back there. Got some good rice cooking back there. Ooh wee with the beans. You know what I mean? I'm gonna show you what the inside looks like. Coming in. There we go. Got the fridge. Wee. The conditioner. Lorenzo! Yep, that's Lorenzo. Got the queen size bed back here. And there goes wifey with the king size bed over there. Nice. Get out of town. Can't beat that. Oh, don't forget the microwave. And of course, it has a little sink and all the dressers, drawers. Can't beat it. Of course, have the hammock going on. Yeah, it's called vacation time, family time. Get off the road, enjoy life. You know, to the fullest. You know what I mean? And get on the hammock, do what I gotta do. There it is. So yeah, there's a couple of emails that I already answered, so look into that. And just be careful out there. Drive safe. God bless you all. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. I'll do a video when, sometime this week. So I'll keep you posted. God bless y'all. I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.